Are you looking for the best outdoor TVS that will change the way you enjoy your backyard? In this video, we will look at some of the best outdoor TVS that will change the way you enjoy your backyard on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Furrion Aurora 43 inches Full Shade Outdoor TV. The 43 inches iteration of the Aurora Outdoor TV is the best outdoor TV for small spaces like a patio or a balcony. The 4K TV is capable of delivering excellent picture quality. Like its larger sibling, the 43 inches Aurora Outdoor TV has a robust rating for water resistance. It also comes with an outdoor soundbar, so you won't have to worry about pricey audio upgrades. And despite its compact size, the TV is packed with connectivity options. They include a trio of HDMI ports and two 5-volt USB ports, among others. Key specs: maximum brightness 400 nits, HDR compatibility yes, durability IP54 water and dust resistant, other auto brightness control, waterproof remote. Number 2. Samsung 55 inches Class QLED 4 Kelvin The Terrace Partial Sun Outdoor. Samsung's The Terrace is today's absolute best outdoor TV, and the one to get if your upgrade budget permits. Its super bright 4 Kelvin QLED display panel has the best picture quality and is viewable even in direct sunlight. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, the screen is also great for watching sports. With onboard Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Apple AirPlay 2 connectivity, Samsung's Tizen platform, and support for Alexa and Google Assistant commands, the Terrace is today's smartest outdoor TV. You also won't need to worry about adding a streaming player. The TV is available with up to a 75 inches screen. You can order an equally impressive Terrace soundbar, too. Key specs: maximum brightness 2000 plus nits, HDR compatibility yes, durability IP55 water and dust resistant, other Wi-Fi, Tizen smart platform. Number 3. Sura Full Sun Series 50-inch 4K UHD HDR Weatherproof LED Outdoor TV. With a screen that measures 85 inches diagonally, this Sura offering is the biggest outdoor TV on this list. The Full Sun series has an incredibly bright 4 Kelvin display panel. The peak luminance and anti-glare coating allow it to produce a high-quality viewing experience, even in direct sunlight. The TV's tough housing has a compartment for a streaming player. In a manner befitting its name, the Full Sun series has built-in internal fans to keep its electronics cool. Despite its eye-watering price, the TV lacks onboard speakers. You'll have to spend even more on a weatherproof soundbar. Key specs: maximum brightness 2000 nits, HDR compatibility yes, durability IP56 water and dust resistant, other water resistant remote. Number 4. Sunbright Veranda 3 Series 55 inches Full Shade Smart Outdoor TV. The third generation Sunbright Veranda Series Outdoor TV is hands down the best under $3,000. It packs a bright display panel with full array local dimming for next level contrast. Combined, these features allow the product to deliver a top-tier viewing experience even in brightly lit open spaces. Impressively, the Wi-Fi powered Veranda Series TV runs Android TV, bringing access to all streaming services, and the amazing Google Assistant. And thanks to Chromecast wireless connectivity, the device can connect to an Android phone, a tablet, or a laptop for a bigger screen viewing experience. The 20-watt onboard speakers at the Veranda series are reliable for outdoor use, too. You can also order the 4 Kelvin TV with a 65 inches screen. Key specs: maximum brightness 1000 nits, HDR compatibility yes, durability IP55 water and dust resistant, other Android TV 20-watt speakers.